Hi viewers, in this video I will show you how you can earn USDT from Bitget without using your own money. First, go to the rewards section. As you can see, I have 1340 available points. You also need at least 1000 points. You can collect these points for free by logging into the Bitget app daily and tapping on rewards. You can also earn extra points by completing simple tasks like reading articles, liking posts, and commenting. Now tap on redeem, scroll down, and you will see a 10 USDT spot margin position voucher for 1000 points. Tap on redeem. A pop-up will appear. Tap on confirm. Another message will appear saying your request has been submitted. Tap on got it. Now you can see I have 340 points left. To check the status, tap on available points, then go to the redeemed. Right now it says to be distributed, so we wait. After some time the status changes to distributed. Now go to the vouchers. You will see the 10 USDT voucher. Tap on claim. Next, select a trading pair. Choose carefully after your own analysis. If you want to learn trading properly, I also teach it step by step. You can contact me through my website and fill out the contact form. The link for the website contact form is in the description. Or you can reach me on my WhatsApp business number, which is 0329 866 2702. Now I will select Ethereum /USDT and tap confirm. Now you can see the voucher is successfully claimed. Tap on use now. Now you can see the details of the 10 USDT position voucher. You can open a buy or sell position and adjust leverage. I will open a sell position with 4x leverage. Tap confirm. Now the position is open. You can see it in the position voucher section. Right now the position is in loss, but the loss is not for my money. It is from the voucher. Any profit I make will be mine. Now you can see the position is in profit. I will close it now. As you can see, I earned $0.92 without investing my own money. So as you have seen, I made $0.92 using a Bitget reward voucher. This voucher itself is not withdrawable, but any profit made from it can be withdrawn. Profit is not guaranteed. I was able to make this because of my trading experience. If you are serious about learning trading, you can fill out the contact form on my website or reach me on WhatsApp business at 0329 866 2702. So viewers, hope so you liked this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.